boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a hyped collab here between Rosé and Bruno Mars. They do APT, alright? So a little different, yes, but it's nice. So let's take a look at this one with the capo set here on the 3rd fret. Okay, so with that, we have a couple of chords to go over. I believe they are 6 chords here in the song, yes. So let's start with the F, and actually there are 7, sorry. F is the first chord, and we're gonna start with the bar chord. You place the index finger on the 1st fret, and you cover all strings there. And then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. We have G next. Okay, so that will be 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have A minor, and that goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And then we have C, and that would be 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. These are the 4 main chords that covers verse, pre-chorus, and chorus, but then we need to handle the bridge part, and there we will have 3 more chords. We'll start with E minor, and that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. We have the A, and that goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. And the final chord will be D. And that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. So F, G, A minor, C, and then E minor, A, and D. That's what we're gonna work with. So let's start here with this verse play. And yeah, we need to learn the strumming first. If you grab the first chord in the verse, A minor, one string around will be like this. Okay, so you're gonna start with down, clap, up, clap, and that is how it goes. So down, clap, and then up, clap. And you do a short pause after the final clap, and then start again. So. So down, clap, up, clap, down, clap, up, clap. Okay, there you have it. Now into the verse. You're gonna play 1 full round and almost 2. Okay, so you're gonna play down, clap, up, clap, and then the second round, down, clap, up. And here you're just gonna jump into 1 G. That down on G replaces the final clap, okay? So almost 2 rounds of A minor. So in the second round, you replace the final clap with 1 down on G. And then you're gonna go back and play A minor for 2 full rounds. And that will be 1 chord progression in this verse. So A minor, 1 full round, almost 2 rounds there. The final clap, you replace that with a G. 1 down on that, and then you go back and play A minor 2 full rounds. That will be 1 chord progression round. So it both starts and ends on A minor. So like this, slowly. And all that is 1 round. You're gonna play 2 rounds of that, and that's the first verse. It goes like this. Okay, 2 rounds of that, and you handle the first verse. Over now to pre-chords. Now I'm gonna play 1 string around of the following chords: F, G, A minor, and C. You're gonna do that for 2 rounds. So F1, G1, A minor 1, and C1, 2 rounds. It goes like this. Okay, and that's a pre-chorus, and now the first chorus. That first chorus is played in the exact same way as the verse play for 2 rounds. We know that by now, but let's do it together. Okay, that's the first round. Into the second round now. The second verse is played in the exact same way as the first one. So you just continue this from the chorus and just go into the second verse. 2 rounds of A minor, G, A minor. And that's that. Second pre-chorus, same case there. We have the same playing as the first pre-chorus. F1, G1, A minor 1, and C1 for 2 rounds. But then in second chorus, it changes. It's not as in the first chorus. It's played the exact same way as the pre-chorus actually. So the second chorus will be played with F1, G1, A minor 1, C1 for 2 rounds. So that's the second round here in this APT song. After this second chorus comes the bridge parts. So we're about 1 minute and 37 seconds into the song. And this is the part where we're gonna handle the new chords, the other 3 chords. So we're gonna start with one of them, that's the E minor. You're gonna play the strumming for 4 rounds. So okay, and then comes a part that we're gonna play for 3 rounds, and that will be A minor 1, G1, C1, and A1. Okay, so you're gonna play that part for 3 rounds. So A minor 1, G1, C1, A1. A minor 1, G1, C1, A1, and final round. Okay, and then we're gonna end with A minor 1, G1, and D2. And that ends the bridge parts. So just to summarize that part, it started with E minor, 4 strumming rounds. And then we have the part we played for 3 rounds, which was the A minor 1, G1, C1, and A1. And then you rounded off this one with A minor 1, G1, and D2. Okay, so into the final parts of this song now, we have the third chorus, okay? So that is played in the exact same way as the second was. So that was the F1, G1, A minor 1, and C1. You're gonna play that for 4 rounds, okay? 4 rounds of that, and then we have the final outro parts, and that is just to continue again with this same F1, G1, A minor 1, and C1 for another 2 rounds. And that is basically how we handle Rosé and Bruno Mars APT song. All right, so a little bit punk rockish song there. So if you like that or some of these artists here, I believe many people do, then yeah, give it a try. And if you enjoy Gordon Guitar and my content here, then feel free to support me here. Like this tutorial, subscribe to this channel, and you have done your what you should do. So I really appreciate that, guys. And until next time, play tuned.